guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and tools can be really expensive. So I love that I have this backpack from Toolux to really protect my investment. It has a space for everything that you need for work, and the pockets keep your hand tools right where you put them, so you're not wasting time rummaging around in your bag looking for them. And as you can see, there's so many different pockets, so you'll be able to fit a lot of tools in this bag. There's also a spot to keep your laptop and any paperwork that you might need access to on the job. This is a really high quality backpack, and it's going to be able to withstand the weight of all the tools that you put in here. I love having all that I need for work together in one spot. And the bottom is a rigid material, so it's going to keep your backpack nice and stable. It's not going to fall over when you put it down. And of course, we can't forget the fact that it just looks so nice. I think it would make such a great gift. We all know that time is money, and efficiency really does save us time. So this backpack from Toolux is a really stylish way of keeping you organized and also working so efficiently. And that's my point of view.